Today, the road racing world is in mourning after the tragic death of British rider Daniel Ingham during qualifying for the 2026 IsleOfManTT. The 33-year-old racer lost his life following a devastating crash at Doran's Bend on the legendary Sniffle mountain course. The accident happened during the first lap of Wednesday evening's third qualifying session. Race organizers later confirmed the heartbreaking news on Thursday afternoon, sending shockwaves through the motorsport community. Daniel Ingham, from Melton Mowbray, may have been making his official IsleOfManTT debut this year, but he was already highly respected on the mountain course. Fans remember him for his incredible performances at the Manx Grand Prix, including his famous Senior Manx Grand Prix victory in 2024. He entered this year's TT riding a Yamaha R6 in the Supersport class and an Aprilia RS660 in the Sport Bike category, chasing his dream on one of the world's most dangerous race circuits. The tragedy has also raised serious safety concerns at the 2026 event, with officials suspending the entire sidecar TT category after multiple major crashes this week. Daniel leaves behind his wife Helena and his two children, Joey and Phoebe. Tributes are pouring in from across the racing world as fans and riders remember a talented competitor gone far too soon. Rest in peace, Daniel Ingham.